Have you ever pondered over the journey of reproductive rights in the United States? It began with a restrictive statute in Texas. This law criminalized abortion, except in cases where the mother's life was at risk. But then, a bold challenge emerged. A woman, cloaked in the pseudonym Jane Roe, rose to represent those seeking abortions. She took on the Texas law, arguing that it violated a woman's constitutional right to privacy. The Supreme Court, under the guidance of Justice Harry Blackmun, deliberated on the case. They concluded that the choice to have an abortion fell within the bounds of a woman's constitutional right to privacy. This landmark decision introduced a trimester framework, delineating different levels of state interest in regulating abortion throughout pregnancy. Thus, on January 22, 1973, the Supreme Court issued a landmark decision that would forever change the landscape of reproductive rights. But what did this groundbreaking decision imply for the women of America? Well, the Roe v. Wade ruling established a trimester framework, a concept that was as innovative as it was profound. This framework outlined distinct levels of state interest in regulating abortion throughout a pregnancy. During the first trimester, the state was given limited authority to regulate abortion. The state's interest in protecting maternal health could justify regulations in the second trimester. By the third trimester, the state's interest in protecting potential life allowed it to regulate or even prohibit abortions, except when necessary to preserve the life or health of the mother. This decision sparked a storm of ongoing legal, political, and societal debates. Over the years, perspectives on abortion rights have continued to shape political and judicial discussions, revealing the deeply personal and complex nature of this issue. The Roe v. Wade decision remains one of the most significant and controversial decisions in the history of the Supreme Court, continuing to influence the discourse around reproductive rights.